Now, so far what I've shown you is an open website. It's out there, it's available to the world. Please don't feel gypped because you're paying for this course, because what you're really paying for is that ability to have me available for mentoring and feedback, and to have your needs addressed. And the student pages are really where a lot of that happens. So let's look at the student pages. The student pages require a login to get into. All the content is only available to you if you log in, and that's going to be with your username and password. The login will stay remembered by default, so if you're using the same computer and same browser to get into it consistently, you won't even have to log in. You can always log out if you want to. So let's take a look. We have a link here which gets you back to the 3D Worlds site, 3D World pages, and then we have the rest of the links. So you have the ability to create content, so you can create pages. We have the forums. Let's take a look at the forums. So we have 3 forums. We have the general questions and discussion, we have KML and Google Earth forum, and we have the SketchUp forum. Do your best to post your posts to the appropriate forum. I'm sure that won't be a problem. We've kept them general enough. So if I look at the general questions and discussion forum, we'll see we already have one topic. I've posted a welcome and check-in item. You'll just want to go in here early on in the course and just check in. You want to test commenting. So come on in, introduce yourself. What you want to do is add a new comment. So let's try it. We'll add a new comment. And subject, I'll put in, I'm recording a video, and I'll just say this is from our video demo. We'll preview it, and let's see, that's what it looks like right there, and post it. The comment box can use HTML tags. So if you know HTML, if you want to make things bold or use different fonts, it'll work. You can even put images in if you'd like, but that's pretty elaborate. I've got some polls. I'll point them out as they come up in the course. To start off, if you can answer these polls, that would be great. So which is your preferred web browser? You can go in here and you can vote. You can also see the results of any poll. You have that capability, so it looks like I got 1 vote for Internet Explorer, 1 for Mozilla Firefox. Let's look at the student pages. So what I'm going to ask of you every week is, we'll have homework. It's not going to be graded. This course is not graded, so don't worry. But our homework is important because I'm going to try to make use of it. I saw in our classroom course we had a lot of really interesting examples. We had one person who had done some hiking with a GPS unit, and he imported that data into KML, dressed it up, added some photos. It was really interesting and exciting to see. And once we got to the SketchUp portion of the class, we saw some really great content, and everyone was really happy to see what the other students were doing. I think that's really important here. So once I have this all set up, which by the time you're in it will be set up, I'll have a link from the student pages right to your page. So you can go into your page, let's just go into the sample student page, and you can put anything you want into your page. Let's go into edit mode. You can put in text content, and you can modify text content. You can also add file attachments. So let's look at a file attachment. So I can go and I can just browse and add a file. Here we'll just put in this test KML file that I have, and I'll just attach that. Okay, I need to configure this, but by the time this course starts, KML will be an acceptable format, obviously. Let's try again. Let's go to my pictures, and I have a scan here of that's me. Here, we'll add my picture here, and we'll upload the file. So I'll ask you, once you have KML or KMZ files, or later on SketchUp files, to post to your page, and maybe any writing that you want to do in your page, anything that you learn that you want to share with others. Your page is a good place. The forums are a good place too. They're a good place for both questions and informative posting. So anyway, this image that I'm uploading is taking a while. Let it go. That's as it stands. I'm sure I'll have questions. I'll address your questions as we go. Maybe run another video if that's helpful. But as far as the site orientation goes, I think we're all set. Thank you.